Hey, it's Adam from Buzzy. I've got a pretty cool demo that I want to show you that we've built. Wanted to create an application that was a stock portfolio application, so it would manage your stocks and your portfolios, and you could actually go out to AI and get some recommendations on what to do in 1, 3, and 5 years. Now, the disclaimer is, do not use this. Do not use this AI to go and actually trade your stocks. I just wanted to show you as a cool demo. So we started off with a prompt and I generated an app. I'll just fast forward and show you the app that got generated. So this was the app. This is some dummy sample. So there's a blue chip leaders portfolio, Tech Titans portfolio, green energy one. If you go into that, again, there's some dummy data in here. This is actually working with a database and everything. So you can go into the stock, you can edit them, you can edit the amounts, you can go and add new ones, and so on. It would be cool if we could take the stocks in this particular blue chip portfolio and get some recommendations. So I'm going to click this link, and behind the scenes what it's doing is an API call to a system called Respell, which is an AI-powered automation framework, which is going to go off, go and get the stocks out of this Buzzy table, and then go and get the recommendation, and then shove it back into this field. Let's have a look at Respell. So normally you would have to code this, and Respell's got an awesome agent or wizard that helps you get started and create these applications. So in this example, it takes two key parameters, which are the portfolio for finding all the stocks and the actual stock itself. I haven't given it a good name, it's called the embedding row ID, but that is the row in the data table of the stock. It then makes a call to the Buzzy API. After it gets the list of stocks, it then puts that stock portfolio into the AI, generate AI with text, which at the moment, if we click on this, it's going to be using GPT-4. It could be using one of the other models out there. And once it gets that response, it'll actually run it through this prompt. So it'll get the portfolio, it'll run it through the prompt, and then it will take that JSON data that it gets out of the API. You don't have to code this, it just does it automatically. And then it's going to make a recommendation for 1 to 3 years. And we told it, make sure you only return the recommendations. Once we've got that information out of the AI, we then, there's a little bit of custom code over here which just formats it. I've got a blog article it's literally 2 lines of code that just stringifies the result. So we can call the Buzzy API. I understand that the Respell folk are going to be looking at making this a bit easier. You don't have to do that code, but I provided in the sample. And then we're going to call the Buzzy API to go and make an update to the field in the data table, the recommendations one for that portfolio. So that will take a bit of time for the AI to run. And again, just while it was running, you can see it in. It's actually gone through the portfolio. So these are the stocks. If you look down over here, these are the stocks. There's Alphabet, Apple, and Tesla. You can see that it's pulled that in. It's making some recommendations. So there's a 1-year plan, a 3-year plan, and it's asking me as well. It thinks I should add some biotech and some renewable energy in here. So pretty cool application. Read the blog article, go and do stuff. Again, do not use this for trading your stocks, but really quick and easy for you to be able to take a tool like Buzzy that creates the entire framework for the application and the user interface, and then combining it with a tool like Respell, which allows you to do all that cool stuff and custom logic. So whether you're calling APIs or you're calling AIs, to be able to build some cool applications. Can't wait to hear what you build. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak soon.